Outer Fox Island Site 6 has excellent low-relief sculpted forms. Sickle-shaped and longitudinal forms are most prominent. These patterns persist at several scales. Crescentic furrows occur on the upflow side of most rock rises. The 3D survey helps illustrate a hierarchy of S-forms. Each rock rise has a hierarchy of forms. Crescentic furrows dominate the upflow rock ramp. These furrows extend downflow to long furrows. On this rock rise, furrows form comas curving to right downslope, yet extend to long furrows. On this rise, crescentic furrows become full sickle forms or Sichelvanen with long furrows. Upflow Sichelvanen sculpted multiple furrows. This drop shape results from converging furrows which are vortices. Smaller coma forms indicate the second level of structures which are turbulences in the flow. A closer view of two furrows reveals added forms. Cavetos form overhang channels. This caveto is sculpted as two comas. A side view from flow shows the crescentic to long furrow erosion motif. Whitefish Bay Site 12 has similar forms to Outer Fox Island terrain. This site was surveyed in 1990. The large field of nested crescentic to long furrows highlight rock erosion by turbulent meltwater flow. Thanks for watching.